Hi guys, good morning. Hope you're doing well and welcome back. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monica and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization and home decor. And if that is your area of interest, please consider hitting that subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So guys, today I've actually woken up quite early because I'm expecting some cleaning guys to come over to clean our seats. This is actually my first time doing that. What I normally do is to just remove the top and bottom cushion covers and wash them. And for the seats, I normally just wipe them down clean. I don't know if it's because our seats are chocolate brown, so I rarely notice so that they are dirty. But I think they're dirty. They're dirty and dusty. Yeah, so that's the reason as to why I decided to call those guys to come over to at least just deep clean the seats for us. Yeah, guys, that's actually what I'll be doing today, deep cleaning this living room. But first, I start by washing the cushion covers before the guys who are to clean the seats arrive. I seriously do not know the method they are going to use because this is also new to me and I didn't really have enough time to research on the best cleaners. But I do hope that the ones I got will do the work just fine. And I don't know if you've noticed, guys, but I decided to change the seating arrangement. I wanted in more light to flow in the room, and the initial arrangement was kind of blocking the light. I actually find this one way better because it has also given me the opportunity to correctly mount the wall art. And as you know, a wall art is supposed to be at least 8 inches from the furniture it is placed over. Because they're supposed to be one thing, so that whenever you walk into a room, they both capture your attention in a good way. And I know I need to add more deco items in this house, guys, but in due time. But for now, this is how our living room looks like. Another thing, guys, I've not yet placed back the carpet because my son hasn't yet learned how to use a potty. I'm not sure if I'm the one doing it wrong, but kindly share in the comment section how you did it for those of you who have toddlers. they are already done and everything took about 2 hours. I can't really complain because they worked so meticulously and the seats were, oh my god, very dirty. I think when buying a seat, one should really consider the color and also the fabric. I didn't believe the residue that came out of these seats, but now they are so clean and so fresh, and also they smell so nice and are almost dry. I think I'll have it upon myself to deep clean them at least thrice a year because this color, it can deceive you. So guys, this is actually it. The covers that I had washed haven't completely dried, and so are the seats. I think I'll have to leave them like this for a little while longer, and also I'll have to end this video here. And thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And also do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. And I also do hope this video motivates you a notch higher. Let's meet in the next one.